So it's the next day, and we're going to Fuji today, but we saw this kid yesterday who was like very shocked to see this car, and he was very excited to see it, and he left this note because I guess he really loves the car. He's only seen, this is the second one he's ever seen.
One other time.
Only one other time. And he left this cute little note, so. That's wicked, bro. Another absolutely beautiful day in Japan. We are going to Fuji Speedway today, and I can't wait. It's gonna be a really good day. I didn't film it, but we also went to Up Garage. We've almost been to Up Garage every single day. I've gotten the steering wheel for my car back home, some horn buttons. I ended up getting a confetti seat, Recaro confetti seat yesterday, so that's being shipped to our Airbnb on the last day. I'm looking for a shift knob, one more confetti seat. I'm just trying to find good quality, like, I know they're good quality, but I'm trying to find one that's not beat up. It's just been a lot of fun finding some good parts for sure. Found some mud flaps from my 4Runner, TRD ones. Just a lot of little things, little trinkets that are just like kind of fun to collect along the way. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. Could not ask for a better day. Hopefully we get some good pictures of Fuji. Yesterday was pretty foggy, and we're hoping to be on Fuji Speedway, like the track. We should be able to do a lap today, and that is just gonna be like surreal. So stay tuned, and see you guys on Fuji Speedway.